Go.
T. Johnson.
All right, guys.
All right, guys. Let's get started.
We're going to make a bird house.
Well, you put it all over there.
So we're making a bird feeder.
You mean a bird feeder. So give me that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now stick it right here.
Like this.
Oh.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Gotta hold it for 60 seconds.
Hold it right here.
Right here?
Yep. Hold it for 60 seconds. So you got to hold the wood for 60 seconds so it can glue. I don't like videos. Commercial for cigarettes in the middle, okay? AC. How's it looking? How's it going?
It's going really high.
All right. So what else do we have to do? We have to get the other we have to get the other rectangle.
All right.
Right?
Yeah. So we have to do it.
Wow.
That one is top. It's like a TV right here.
Go.
I'm putting the glue on here.
What is it?
The glue. And I'm gonna put it right here.
Show them the glue.
The glue is like doing this.
Like this.
Ah!
Okay, all right.
You.
Good job. Don't put it in your... Ew. You don't eat glue. All right. Let's glue the rectangle to the square.
Yeah.
And hold it tight.
And it's going too hard.
Just slow something's taking off a finger. Hold it tight. Don't move it. Go.
This is the other way thing. Right here and right here. This side. At the house. That's all they have. And this is the... We need to put the rectangle right here.
It's a short rectangle. Short? Short?
Rectangle.
We're putting glue.
Right? No glue. I'm going to put it on there. So yeah, put the glue in here.
Right here. Not too much. Don't squeeze it so much. You're so strong. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Good job. Oh, good job.
I'm a good girl.
You got the glue everywhere.
Yeah.
We're going to mix these together.
Ew! Why you just put it off like that? That's not nice.
Yeah, I gotta get there.
Rennie, you want to
YouTube.
sit?
Do it yourself. Tag.
Hold
up. Wait a minute.
All right, Myra, get one. You got to get another top part and put it inside.
Okay. You got to put it. Oh.
No, not yet. You don't need to glue it. Just get it and put it inside.
This side?
All right, get the other side.
Huh?
Awesome. Woo.
Ew.
So what do we have to do now, narrator?
We have to do this first.
Narrator, what do we have to do now?
This.
Oh, you have to get the rooftops.
Rooftops? Yeah.
The two little squares, and you glue them onto the...
You got to glue these two squares.
Yeah. You got to do this.
Oh, it says it's manufactured.
Manufactured? Ew.
Horizon Group, USA, Inc.
Ew. That's not. Can I paint on this?
You could paint on it.
Oh.
Now we gotta glue the tops on like this.
Okay. Let's do it. Alright. Can you do it? Not right now?
Yep, go ahead.
Do
You gotta
this?
glue just like this. And start gluing. Oh, wow.
No, wait.
Wait. You wait. Ah, you got glue everywhere.
Ew! Stop!
Ah, you broke the house.
No, I didn't.